Take control with the touch command display panels in the rear doors of your BMW 7 and i7. The touch displays control all relevant passenger functions and the rear seat entertainment system. Here's how to adjust climate and seating with the touch command. Press plus or minus to set the desired temperature for the rear zone of the intelligent automatic climate control. Or enter the climate menu to adjust airflow, ventilation, seat heating, or seat ventilation individually for the left or right rear seat. You can also deactivate air conditioning in your vehicle zone. Get comfortable. Select seats to make adjustments individually for both rear seats. You can save 2 seating positions and select the relaxed position for the executive lounge rear seat. Under Massage, you can choose different seat massage programs and turn them on or off. Seat climate control is another way to enter the climate control menu for your rear seats. The home button always takes you back to the function overview. In the 7 and i7, the BMW Intelligent Personal Assistant is also there for the rear seat passengers.
Hey BMW, turn on the seat heating.
I will activate the seat heating for the rear right seat.
Continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW. Discover the new automatic doors for your BMW 7 or BMW i7 with several ways to open or close the doors hands-free. Here's one. Simply press the button on the outside door handle. Quickly make room for the door to open, as it will stop for any obstacle. Closing the doors is just as easy. Press the door button on the interaction bar for the front doors. Or use the button above the touch command to open or close the rear doors. The Doors and Windows menu can be quickly accessed via the button on the driver's door. If one or more doors are open, the direct close button is shown in automatic doors. You can also select the menu to open or close any door. Tap again to stop the door's movement if necessary. The driver door can be closed just by pressing the brake pedal. Make sure to activate the function in the settings. Your BMW Intelligent Personal Assistant can also close doors for you.
Hey BMW, close all doors.
Should I close all doors?
Yes.
I will do that now.
And of course, you can still handle your doors the old-fashioned way by pressing the button in the door handles from the outside, or by pressing the door opener underneath the armrest from the inside. Continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW. Alexa, start sheer driving pleasure. With the Amazon Alexa car integration in your BMW, with BMW Operating System 8 built from November 2022 or newer. Here's how to set up Alexa. Log in with your BMW ID. Go to Apps and click on Alexa. Scan the QR code with your smartphone camera and log in with your Amazon credentials. Now, choose if you want Alexa to be activated by long pressing the microphone button. If so, press the button for a moment and talk to Alexa. No activation word needed.
Do I need an umbrella today?
No rain is expected tonight.
Or say the activation word to use Alexa, just like at home.
Alexa, what's on my calendar today?
There is one event in progress. Alexa car integration how to shoot is an all-day event.
If you want to switch Alexa off, go to the Alexa app to deactivate the activation word and the long press function. Continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW.